So last week we made these nifty cup holders. You can see this one here. We've got it firmly affixed in. We've got a little piece of double-sided tape in there. This one's not done yet. What I wanted to do today is just demonstrate how you can use two of them. When we printed these, we made them symmetrical, so you can put them from one side to the other. The problem is that you can't really line two of them up right next to each other because it'll interfere with the parking brake. But the good news is that them being symmetrical, you can just flip it around and put one on the other side. And this actually does work in that it doesn't interfere with any of the controls, and it doesn't really, I mean, it's right there at your leg, but it doesn't really touch anything in here. So I think it's good to go. You can put another one of these on here. Let me show you real quick how we're installing these things, so you can get an idea of how they work. I mean, obviously, it doesn't. You can like stand on them and they wouldn't have a problem, but they come out, right? So all you need to do is put a little piece of double-sided tape in here, and that keeps it from flopping out. I mean, it's very stable until you pick it up. So with that double-sided tape, it keeps it in there, it secures it so that it won't move back and forth, and that's a good way of doing that. So what I recommend is using these command strips. These are really great because the bottom end here is not sticky, and if you pull on that tab, these are not tape. They're kind of a foam kind of material, and as you stretch them, the tape will release, and so you can take it out if you want to. So I mean, if you want to clean the car, you take this out, you get another command strip, you put it back in. So it's a really easy way of doing that. Let me demonstrate that really quick. All right, so with the command strip on the bottom here, just a little bit of the tab showing, you can see on the back side, and I'm going to put that so that it sticks up toward the front of the car, so you won't even see it from the back. But with just enough of a command strip to keep it so it's secure, you tilt it this way until you get it where you like it, and then bring it home. Once that gets connected, it's connected. And then the way that you take that off is you'll be able to pull that little tab right there in case you want to take it off and clean it. So it's really easy for you to do that. And there you go. Now we have two cup holders. There you go. If you want one of these cup holders, make sure you can either do a super thanks and I'll ship it out to you, or get a hold of me on MG Experience and we can coordinate Venmo or something like that. But I'm not selling these. All I'm asking for is reimbursement for shipping, and $20 to get it pretty much anywhere where it needs to be. So just get a hold of me and I'll print one of these up on my 3D printer for you and send it off. All right, that's all I have. Cheers.